This is not just the construction of an aircraft, it is the making of a high-value engineering asset. Before executive flight, there is structure. Before luxury, there is precision. Before movement, there is discipline. Every aircraft begins as a controlled idea, a set of dimensions, forces, tolerances, and decisions. What looks elegant in the sky starts here. In alignment, materials, and structural accuracy, each section of the airframe is shaped to do more than carry weight. It must support performance, efficiency, and stability under pressure. This is where engineering gives the aircraft its first identity, not as a symbol of luxury yet, but as a machine designed to function with exact purpose. In high-value aviation, precision is not an advantage, it is the minimum requirement. Once the structure takes form, intelligence begins to enter the aircraft. Control systems, cockpit integration, and flight architecture transform the airframe into something responsive. This is where the machine begins to think. The cockpit is more than an operational space. It is the command center of a system built for confidence, awareness, and control. Every interface, every display, every integration point must work with clarity and consistency. Because in aviation, complexity cannot feel complex. It must feel seamless. Power changes everything. The moment propulsion enters the aircraft, the project moves from structure to capability. Jet power is not only about thrust, it is about balance, integration, heat, vibration, and control. Every critical system around it must perform with the same discipline. Support structures, landing systems, and mechanical assemblies are built to operate under repeated stress without compromise. This is where testing matters most, because performance is never trusted on appearance alone. It must be proven. In high-value aviation, reliability is engineered long before flight begins.
Engine 1 stabilized, ITT within limits.
Copy that. Starting engine 2. Alignment looks good on the secondary strut. What's the readout on the digital wrench?
Hitting 300 Newton meters. Confirmed green. The retraction sequence looks good. Cross-reference with the stress data here.
All parameters are well within tolerance, sir.
At this stage, the aircraft begins to reveal a different kind of value. Only functional value, perceived value, experiential value, executive value. The cabin is where engineering becomes atmosphere. Lighting, surfaces, geometry, and finish shape the feeling of refined mobility. But none of it exists without the technical discipline beneath it. What appears effortless is supported by thousands of precise decisions. That is what defines true premium engineering. Not excess, not decoration, but control, coherence, and intentional design. Then comes the moment when the aircraft no longer feels like a project. It feels complete. The first movement carries a different weight, because now the machine is no longer only being built. It is beginning to exist on its own terms. This is where structure, systems, power, and finish come together as one unified result. A luxury jet is more than a vehicle. It is a statement of capability. A product of engineering, industrial discipline, and high-value mobility. What the world sees is elegance. What made it possible was precision. This is not simply an aircraft. It is the visible result of invisible standards, a machine shaped by control, built by discipline, and designed for advanced mobility. This is what high-value engineering looks like.